Today I'm gonna be talking about ChatGPT. She has like this new setup. I'm trying to have like a good setup, so hopefully you guys love it. I love it. Today, if you guys have not known, there is a new trending thing on how to make money. On this new trending thing, this new innovative thing, it's called ChatGPT. If you guys did not know, a lot of people are using it to make money. Yes, money. This is the perfect time for a lot of people to join in on this thing. Oh yeah, and I'm using a mic because I'm kind of on a quiet speaker, so I want to make sure you guys can hear me. Um, Another thing about this is that a lot of people know about it, right? But not a lot of people know that you can use this to make money. And the way people don't know how to use it to make money is because they don't know what to ask it or what ideas can come from it. But however, I do want to mention that you can use GPT to ask it about skills that you might have or things that you do. So if you are like a software engineer and you need help with creating a Chrome extension, it's really good for that. I was gonna try that out. I haven't yet. I did ask it. What did I ask it? I just said it in the last preview video I just did, but a lot of people ask it to make Chrome extensions. A lot of people are using it to make YouTube automation videos, so you can literally be behind a screen and make YouTube automation, which is really cool. I want to try that out. Another thing that people are doing is really just asking it keywords. So I guess a lot of people don't know what to ask it to make the money. So one thing for me is that I did create an ebook for it. So I know, shameless plug, but it's only $5. It's a $5 ebook. I have it in the description below, but it's a really convenient ebook where I have 100 things that you can do with um the so 100 things that you can do with Chat GPT that I think that would be really cool for you guys, and it's only $5 if you're interested. Description below, but I just want to mention to you guys that this is the best trending time to get rich. Um, Not only that, they could do like YouTube automation. I know a lot of people have access to code things for it, so there's that. Or if you're just really looking into, building skills, you can be like, hey, what skills would be convenient for like this career? Or you can actually ask it to write you resumes. You can put in information. I actually had it like revise my words on my resume to make it seem stronger for a position I wanted to do. Another thing that people use it for is also writing. So if you're author, it's really convenient. Like obviously you're gonna be like writing your book, but in the end you're always gonna have someone proofread it, edit it. There's a lot of authors that always have like ghostwriter. So basically your chat GPT is your ghostwriter. Really convenient, I would say. Not only that, chat a thing similar to ChatGPT is that it copies art for you. So it doesn't copy, but I mean it kind of it does copy actually. A lot of people are saying it is copying people's art, but it does create its own type of art with other people's art. So if you're interested in that, I would try that out. I don't know how legal that would be in the future, so probably wouldn't recommend that. However, yeah, just try it out. Ask the questions. I really just ask it about simple stuff or like ideas. I think the best thing for ChatGPT is ideas. When you don't know how to like add on more things to something. So like say you're writing a personal statement and you have it kind of all down, but you don't know how to word something, or you want to add this in like less than 100 words. ChatGPT will actually do that for you, and I love it because when you are applying to scholarship instead, they're like, "Can you put this in 500 words?" And you wrote like 1,000. So now you're like, "What should I do?" ChatGPT is perfect for that. So yeah, that's all I have to say about that. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos with this. Hopefully, this awesome setup. And I'll see you guys next time.